Hi, I'm Anna from Edu4U, and today we will talk about business management studies in the UK. Also, we will talk about how Edu4U can help you. Business management is essential in today's competitive world as it enables organizations to allocate resources efficiently, make informed strategic decisions, and adapt to evolving market dynamics, ensuring their survival and success. A business management course offers a versatile career path. Graduates can pursue roles such as business analysts, who analyze data and processes, project managers, responsible for project execution, and entrepreneurs, equipped with the skills to start and manage their own businesses. What are the classes and credits like? If you choose a business major, you will have from 8 to 16 hours of classes per week. The activities themselves are very diverse. On the one hand, you will attend lectures, and on the other hand, you will also face practical exercises in groups of several people. You will have to spend a lot of time on the completion of projects or writing credit essays. Credit for individual subjects can be in the form of exams. Most often, they are only part of the final grade. Entry requirements for business management mode: high school or 11 years of education, settled or pre-settled status, and English level starting from A2. Let's see some amazing universities available. De Montfort University is one of the fastest growing universities in the United Kingdom. Based in one of the world's most exciting capital cities, London Met is home to a welcoming community of inspiring and determined learners, teachers, and innovative thinkers. Arden University offers a variety of undergraduate and postgraduate programs with both blended and online distance learning delivery options. Pursuing a business management course is a worthwhile investment in your future for several reasons. Firstly, it equips you with a versatile skill set that's applicable in a wide range of industries, ensuring you remain adaptable in a constantly changing job market. Secondly, it paves the way for career advancement, opening up leadership roles that come with higher earning potential and job stability. Additionally, it nurtures entrepreneurship, empowering you to start and manage your own business successfully. Lastly, business management skills are globally relevant, making you a valuable asset in today's interconnected world, with opportunities to work both nationally and internationally. How does it work? If you're interested, you need to contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. Then we'll do your application online, and finally you can start the university. Remember that our help is free. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in starting a university or college in the UK, please contact us on WhatsApp. Remember that our help is free. We can't wait to hear from you.